To fix a declining credit card, it is essential to understand why it is happening in the first place. There are several reasons why a credit card may decline, including insufficient funds, expired or canceled card, incorrect information, security concerns, and merchant restrictions. Firstly, check if the credit card has sufficient funds or if the card is expired or canceled. Ensure the card information is correct, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If the issue persists, contact the credit card issuer to verify if there are any security concerns or restrictions on the card. The issuer may have flagged the card for suspicious activity, or the card may be restricted for use at certain merchants. In some cases, the merchant may not accept the type of credit card being used. For example, some merchants may not accept American Express or Discover cards. To resolve the issue, try using a different credit card or payment method. If the issue is with the credit card itself, contact the issuer to resolve the issue. The issuer may need to verify the card information or remove any restrictions on the card. It is also essential to monitor credit card activity regularly to prevent declined transactions. This can be done by checking the credit card statement regularly and reporting any suspicious activity to the issuer. By understanding the reasons why a credit card may decline and taking the necessary steps to resolve the issue, individuals can avoid the inconvenience and frustration of a declined credit card. It is essential to stay on top of credit card activity and work with the issuer to resolve any issues that may arise.